Welcome to Native English Conversations, where we help you feel more confident in every English communication situation. And today, we're going to explore number 1, meeting new people.
Hello, I'm John.
Hi, John. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. You?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, cool. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. How about you?
I like it too. It's pretty.
What do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English. Do you speak English?
A little. I'm learning.
That's great. How long?
7 months now.
Your English is good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the way to learn. Good job.
Thanks. It was nice talking to you.
You too, Anna. Have a good day.
You too, John. Bye.
Number 2 daily routine.
Hi, when do you wake up?
Hello. I wake up at 6:30. You?
I get up at 7 o'clock. What's next?
I brush my teeth and shower.
Me too. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I have cereal. You?
I eat toast and eggs.
Sounds good. How do you go to work?
I take the bus. You?
I walk. My office is close.
Nice. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock a.m. When do you finish?
I finish at 5 o'clock. What's after work?
I go to the gym. Do you exercise?
Sometimes I like to read.
Reading is fun. When do you have dinner?
At 7 o'clock, what about you?
I eat at 8 o'clock. Do you cook?
Not often. I order food. You?
I cook every day. It's fun.
That's great. What time do you sleep?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. You?
I sleep at 10:30. Early start.
Yes, sleep is important.
True. Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day.
Number 3 can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm new here. I'm looking for the library.
Oh, welcome. The library is nearby.
That's good. How do I get there?
It's easy. Are you walking?
Yes, I don't have a car.
Okay, go straight down this street.
How far should I walk?
About 2 blocks. Then turn right.
What will I see after I turn?
You'll see a big red building.
Is that the library?
No, but it's next to it.
On which side of the red building?
The library is on the left side.
Got it. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes from here.
Great. Is the library open now?
Yes, it's open until 8 o'clock p.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. You've been very kind.
Happy to help. Enjoy the library.
Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Number 4. Talking about your family.
Hi, do you have a big family?
Hello, not really. How about you?
I have a small family. Any siblings?
Yes, one brother. You.
I have 2 sisters. Are you married?
No, I'm single. What about you?
I'm married. Do you have kids?
No kids yet, do you?
Yes, I have a son. How old is your brother?
He's 25. How old are your sisters?
They're 30 and 32. Do your parents work?
My dad works, mom stays home. Yours?
Both my parents are retired.
Nice. What did they do before?
Dad was a teacher. Mom was a nurse.
Interesting jobs. Where do they live?
In the same city as me. Your family?
They live in another state.
Do you visit them often?
Twice a year. Do you see yours?
Yes, every weekend. Family dinners.
That sounds fun. Do you cook together?
Sometimes, Mom usually cooks.
Lovely. I miss my mom's cooking.
You should visit more.
You're right. I'll call them today.
Great idea. Family is important.
It is. Thanks for the chat.
My pleasure. Nice talking to you.
Number 5. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, I'm lost.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
I'm looking for the post office.
Okay, it's not far from here.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure, are you walking or driving?
I'm walking.
Alright, go straight on this street.
How far should I walk?
Walk for about 2 blocks.
What do I do after 2 blocks?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Is the post office on that street?
Not yet, walk 1 more block.
Then what should I do?
You'll see a bank on the corner.
Is the post office near the bank?
Yes, it's right next to the bank.
On which side of the bank?
It's on the left side.
How long will it take to walk there?
About 10 minutes from here.
Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 5 p.m.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good luck.
Number 6. Work in school.
Hi there, are you a student?
Hello, no, I work. How about you?
I'm a student. What's your job?
I'm a teacher. What do you study?
I study biology. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. Do you enjoy studying?
Most of the time, it can be hard.
I understand. What's your favorite subject?
I really like chemistry. It's interesting.
That's great. What year are you in?
I'm in my second year. How long have you taught?
I've been teaching for 5 years now.
Wow, what subject do you teach?
I teach English. Do you have classes every day?
Yes, Monday to Friday. What about your work?
I work Monday to Thursday. Fridays are free.
Nice. What time do you start work?
I start at 8 a.m. When do your classes begin?
My first class is at 9 o'clock a.m.
That's not too early. When do you finish?
Usually around 3 o'clock p.m.
I finish at 4 p.m. Do you have a part-time job?
Yes, I work at a cafe on weekends.
That must be busy. Do you like it?
It's okay. It helps pay for books.
Number 7. Hobbies and interests.
Hi there. What do you like to do?
Hello, I enjoy reading books.
That's nice. What kind of books?
I love mystery novels. How about you?
I like sports. Do you play any?
Sometimes I play tennis. You?
I play football every weekend.
Sounds fun. Any other hobbies?
Yes, I like cooking. Do you cook?
Not really. I'm not very good at it.
It's easy to learn. What else do you do?
I enjoy watching movies.
Me too. What's your favorite genre?
I like comedies. What about you?
I prefer action movies.
Cool. Do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I love hiking. Have you tried it?
No, but it sounds interesting.
It's great. You should try it sometime.
Maybe. I also like taking photos.
Really, what do you photograph?
Mostly nature and landscapes.
That's awesome. Can I see some?
Sure, I'll show you later.
Great. It's fun sharing hobbies.
Yes, I've learned a lot about you.
Number 8. Making plans with friends.
Hi, are you free this weekend?
Hello! Yes, I am. Why do you ask?
Do you want to do something together?
Yes, that sounds nice. What should we do?
How about watching a movie?
Sure, should we watch it at the cinema or at home?
Let's go to the cinema. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect. What day works for you?
How about Saturday evening?
Saturday is good. What time?
The movie starts at 7:30. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that's fine. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cinema at 7 o'clock.
Okay, should we ask someone else to come?
Good idea. How about we ask Tom?
Yes, Tom would enjoy that.
I'll call him after the movie. Do you want to get some food?
Sure, there's a nice pizza place near the cinema.
Great. I love pizza.
Me too. So, it's all set?
Yes, Saturday at 7 o'clock, cinema, then pizza.
Sounds like a plan. I'm excited.
Me too. See you on Saturday.
See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Native English Conversations channel so you don't miss out on more helpful videos.